A little bit cloudy here today, but we've got a good turnout. The guys from Central Coast, Big Bear, hey? Getting into it. Yeah. His long-awaited return.
Oh, mate. Now it's just got to stop blowing belts.
No good. Takes talent. The Narara kneecapper. And Dangerous Dan, Deadly Dan, doing a sub 2. How's it feel?
Great, finally, after like 5 grand, we're finally there.
It's a money game. There you go, 70. You got some more to put in? Yeah. Pinion up, pinion up. Boys. Traxxas drag slash. Got my Traxxas one and my DR10. Figgis' car. Got my slashes, do some jumps later on. Alright, so in Outlaw class, first run of the day, we got Clint versus Aaron.
Stall tactics.
Got the battery on. Dan stalling.
Ready.
Driver's ready.
Yep.
Watch the lights. Oh, good run. Bloody good run.
Alright, we got William Tell, and Lindsay.
Driver's ready. Yep. Watch the lights.
Oh no.
No? Oh yeah.
Alright, Figs and Mark in Outlaw 2. Oh, that's going to be close. What was that?
That was right. I think right lane got just at the
That was right lane. We got the Barefoot Bandit, William Tell, versus the Narara kneecapper.
Driver's ready. Watch the light.
Well done, Cooper. Cooper for the win.
On you, Gussie.
You got Clint versus Aaron, the Big Bear. As has helped Clint out. Clint busted a drive shaft last run, so he's got the metal ones in now. Outlaw class. Squeaky Pete.
Driver's ready. Yep. Watch the light.
Oh! Battle of the dry tyres. In Outlaw 2 class, we got Figs and Will. Get that heat in there.
Gary Myers at the start.
Oh!
Driver's ready? Yep. Watch the light.
Angus and Dan.
Oh, Lindsay, I think. Yep.
Alright, up now we have Kye, the mad dog. Kye and I, and old Gus dog.
You recording?
No. Everyone should check out my shirt, jumper.
Yeah. Alright, we got Lindsay versus Mark. Oh, left lane. Lindsay got him. Well done, Lindsay. Alright, we got the final Central Coast Bloodies. Oh, Dan, well done. Cooper with 3 selling my slash, having a crack at the jumps. Yeah!